Hey everyone, it's still October, and that means it's still spooky season. As you can tell, I have another mead for you. And let me tell you, it's going to be a real Frankenstein. I was going through my freezers and honestly, I found a little bit of fruit left over from this, a little bit left over from that. Not really enough to make one specific thing. So I opted, since it's spooky season, to make a Frankenstein mead.
That's Frankenstein.
I took a little bit of everything, jammed them together, and we'll see if it comes alive. To start off, I'll be referencing my notes a lot because there's a lot of ingredients in this mead. So we'll start off with our honey. In total, I have 3 pounds, but that is a mixture of 4 different types of honey. I have 13 ounces of blackberry blossom honey, 13 ounces of raspberry blossom honey, 13 ounces of blueberry blossom honey, and I believe it was 9 ounces of wildflower honey, just to bring it up to that 3 pound mark. As for fruit, I wandered through my house and I just found just some random fruits. I really had to dig through the freezers, as you know, you always get that shit on the bottom. So in total, I have 1 pound, 1.5 ounces of peaches, 6.5 ounces of a banana, that's peel and all, as well as 4.5 ounces of mandarin oranges, basically 2 of them, that again, peel and all. I have 9.25 ounces of Saskatoon berries, 11.75 ounces of blueberries, 14.5 ounces of strawberries, 9 ounces of dark sweet cherries. That gives us a grand total of 4.5 pounds of fruit, which I macerated the fruit in half a cup of sugar. And because everything was frozen, I just put it on the oven and let it warm up at a really low temperature just to extract all those juices. I also found a 1/4 ounce package of elderberry flowers. So that's going to go in as well because I might as well use everything up. So as I said, I have 3 pounds of a variety of honey in my bucket already. I'm just going to add half my water. I'll give that a good mix, and then I'll add the rest for a total of 1 gallon of water. All right. So our 1 gallon of water is mixed in with our honey, and I opened up the little package of elderflowers and I threw them right in my bag with the fruit. Right now I'm just going to dump the juice. There's a lot of juice here. So I'm just going to pour that in. And I know that's going to give me more than one gallon of mead. And I'm quite alright with that. So next I'm going to add my nutrients now. I will do 1 teaspoon of Fermenting, 1/2 teaspoon Ferment K, and 1/4 teaspoon of potassium carbonate. And I'll give that a really good mix, and I'll get lots of air incorporated into this, just to give those yeast a real helping hand. There is a ton of fruit in here, so they got a giant job to do. Now, before I pitched my yeast, I took a gravity reading, and it's sitting at 1.082, which should give us about 10-11%, which I'm quite alright with. This is going to be very fruity, so quite alright with that. I'm going to pour this back in, going with my go-to EC1118. Also, because I have it laying around the house. I only used half a packet of yeast, but now I'm going to mix that in I'm gonna give it a really, really good stir, get even more air incorporated in, and we'll be right back. And our last step is simply placing our fruit into the bucket. I cut open the elderflower packet and I put it right inside the bag with all the fruit and everything. And then I just tied it up. So now we're just gonna place it in. Pour the rest of the juice. And wash our hands. Okay, so our lid's on, airlock's installed. Our job is done for today. Now that everything's together, as usual, I will be doing a staggered nutrient schedule just to really help those yeast along. There's a lot of fruit in here, a lot of fruit sugars they're gonna have to chew through. So I wanna give them the best hand that I can for them to really come alive, you know? So I will be adding another teaspoon of Fermento on day 2 and another teaspoon of Fermento on day 4. I'll be giving it a good stir, keep that air flowing through it for the next week. And I'll update you guys as things come along. I mean, I know it sounds like a big hodgepodge of ingredients. I mean, I really just threw stuff in and we'll see how it turns out. But I mean, I don't even think this will turn out bad. I mean, if anything, just like Frankenstein, it'll probably just be missing your stomach.
3 syllables. First syllable sounds like
head. Sounds like head.
Anywho, thank you for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, definitely like and subscribe. Click that little bell icon so that way you get notified whenever we post a new video. We just love having a lot of fun making meads. We love doing these videos for you guys. I really hope you enjoy them. Other than that, all I have left to say is have a great day, happy brewing, and cheers. And yes, Eric, this is Skeeter P, just for you.